Hello everyone, this is Kumar Pakalpati, psychologist and ABA therapist. Today I want to discuss about positive reinforcement technique and negative reinforcement technique. What is positive reinforcement technique? Positive reinforcement technique is adding stimulus to get a desired behavior is a positive reinforcement technique. Here the stimulus is a reinforcer. With reinforcer, we'll do the reinforcement to a child to get a desired results. As we continue to give a reinforcement to a behavior, as likelihood of a behavior occur again and again will be increases. For example, if a mother can give a candy for cleaning up a toys to her daughter, or a father can give a prize to his son for doing a homework. In this way, the reinforcement, the positive reinforcement will works out. And there are many types of positive reinforcement techniques. Example, physical reinforcement technique, or social positive reinforcement technique, or token positive reinforcement technique. In this way, the reinforcement will works very well because it is already a scientific proven method to get a desired result from a behavior, any behavior. But we should know when, why, how, where to use it. And what is negative reinforcement technique? Negative reinforcement technique is also for the strengthening the behavior, but in a different way. Here we will remove the unpleasant stimulus from the situation or uphold something, reward or something to get the desired result or reduce the undesired behavior. For example, if you want to go out, you'll take your car keys, you'll get down, and you'll first you open your door and then you start your ignition. Then immediately you'll get a voice or a loud noise. Why? Because we don't wear the seat belt. Immediately what we'll do? We'll do immediately wear the seat belt. Then the noise will stop. In this way, the negative reinforcement will work. I can tell you another example. Earlier we talked about an example. A mother can give a praise to his son for doing a homework. Here we will do, if a son will not do the homework in time, we uphold or stop giving reward. It is also the negative reinforcement. In this way, the reinforcement will works out. For me or someone have a doubt here. So, when will you start and when will you stop the reinforcement? Simply, when the behavior gets habituated, then we will gradually decrease the reinforcement techniques. Thank you very much. All the best from Pinnacle Blooms Network.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Mirracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special Edu Healthcare Unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.